All right, good morning, everyone. Today, there's a couple things I want you to get accomplished. First off, a number of you have not yet turned in your mixture assignment. You haven't done it correctly yet the way I want you to turn it in. I know there's some frustration, but once you get the hang of it, it's going to be easy. And I put a video on my blog explaining how I want you to turn that in. So if yours isn't turned in and you don't know how to do it, watch the video on the blog. All right. Now, in addition to that, today what I'm going to let you do is play with this link called GoReact. And I put it here on Classroom. It's called GoReact. You can open that up. And when that opens, what you're going to see is the periodic table of the elements. And we talked about this in class. All the matter that exists is made of combinations of only these elements. So when we combine those elements, we get chemical change. Remember, when we get chemical change, we get new matter. That's what makes chemical change different from a mixture. Now, you can't just, I know it says drag elements here. You can't just drag elements down there and see what you make. It won't automatically make something for you. You need to follow a recipe. And in science, the recipe that you follow is called a chemical formula. And so what I want you to do is I want you to come over here where it says featured reactions. Okay, over here where it says featured reactions, you're going to click that. And we'll pick the first one. It's called It's Personal. It says stay looking and smelling your best with these reactions. Now, this is a formula right here. This formula tells us what we need. So we need some selenium, and it'll point to what you need, and then it'll tell you what else to add. And it points to it, so that's kind of cool. And you join them together. And I believe on this one you need 2 sulfurs. See, it says try adding more sulfurs. We're going to join those together. And that's what you get. You get dandruff shampoo. So in those selenium and 2 sulfurs, you get dandruff shampoo. Now it says, great, let's try NAF. So we're going to take this chemical change that you made here, selenium and 2 sulfurs, and put that in the trash. Right there. And we're going to say, try adding some Na. So it had Na right over here, sodium. And up here, if you get confused, if you don't know what you're supposed to add next, it'll be up here. So it says make NaF, and so then I just find that symbol for fluorine. Can you guess what you're going to make? A bomb toothpaste. Okay. So we'll make another one here, and then I'll set you going on your own. It says now let's try NaOH. So and again, if you didn't catch that, if that went too fast for you, you're going to go back up here where it tells you what to make. So it says try adding some Na. And so you got to, search around for that element. You got to search it by its symbol, Na. And then it says OH. So I'm going to add some oxygen. O. And now it says add some hydrogen. Any guess what you're going to make? So we get some chemical change here, and we get soap. Okay, so that is how you mess around and play with GoReact. And when you go back over here to these featured reactions, there's all kinds of featured reactions to try. So there's a lot of stuff to do that you can explore on this site. So have fun. I want you to be thinking about how this is chemical change. And remember that chemical change is different from making a mixture, because when you combine these elements here, you're getting new matter. You're getting something like toothpaste. Oh, you didn't have toothpaste before. You're getting something completely new. So play around with that today. Tomorrow there will be an assignment on Google Classroom that will have to do with making another slide on your slideshow. So you can be expecting that tomorrow. All right, you guys have a great day. Have fun.